Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at S&P 500, Nasdaq, that is QQQ, then tech stocks, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Netflix. Guys, market has been super bullish every day and bears are being cooked every day. Bears are kaboomed, guys. Bears are crying right now. Well, in this video, guys, let's take a look at what the market is doing. What is the price action telling us? How to trade this market, right? So one more thing. Videos on Tesla and NVIDIA and other semiconductors, I did one batch in the morning. Check that out on my channel. NVIDIA is over here, Tesla is over here. NVIDIA video with other semiconductors will be coming out later as well today, one more video, but Tesla technicals are still the same, guys, as how I talked about this morning. Check this video out of Tesla. It has everything that you need to know even for tomorrow. I gave all the levels and everything that you need to be looking at, and it's all in this video. So check this out. And then also, if you're interested in following along in my dividend investing journey, I'm building a public-facing portfolio and all the updates I provide are on this channel. You would be amazed, my Tesla ETF that I have been buying, I haven't done a video on that update yet. Oh, but guys, my Tesla ETF is, wow, in super profit. I'm loving it. Anyways, I'll be doing that video as well. So definitely subscribe to this channel. Link to this channel is also in the description of this video. And with that, let's jump back to our technical analysis of the market. All right, so guys, starting off with SPY, S&P 500. We are still in the bullish structure. There is no sign of downside, okay? Today is, well, I have been saying any pullback until 20 days moving average is just fine. And you can see after that pullback, we are just getting bought back up. Today's green candle is another really a strong green candle. It's bullish. Tomorrow, if any pullback comes, but as long as it's above 546 and 83 cents, that's still just a pullback and this thing can still continue higher. Let's go to the hourly interval on S&P 500. Let's take a look at this thing there. We are, guys, full on bullish. Any pullback at this point, even till the level of 545 and 45 cents, is just bullish. Not only 546, but even lower than that. It still has a lot of room tomorrow as well. Any pullback on this still has a room to stay bullish. How are things looking like on lower time frame? Well, actually, let's see my day trading bot on SPY. How is that thing doing? Oh, guys, look at it. Today also another profitable day. Out of now last 30 trades, we have 26 profitable trades on SPY. Only 4 red trades out of last 30 trades on SPY. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, guys. All right. Anyways, SPY is still full on bullish, guys. Okay. I gave you the levels. The structure is still bullish and SPY can remain bullish for many more days as well. Even if it goes through distribution or choppiness, whatever, it can still stay bullish. QQQ, I have been talking about the same thing as well on this until these levels like 473 until that as well. It's any pullback that, sorry, this level, any pullback until that comes is just bullish. You can see we are just finding another pivot right over there and QQQ is ready to go again to all-time highs. At this point, this thing, as I say, is still full on bullish. I'm not seeing any sign of bearish structure on this. If QQQ even has to start becoming, bearish, it has to first lose this this blue box. Is well, you don't see a blue box here because I haven't put up a blue box here, but as long as from where the price is, as long as it's above this structure on this, is still bullish. Let's take a look at my day trading bot on QQQ as well. Not bad. Yes, we have some red days, but we have been still profitable on this. So again, there will be red days as well and not hiding anything. SPY definitely has been performing really well. And if you have seen my other videos, Tesla bot is doing awesome. And you can apply this bot, guys, on any given instrument and stock. I mean, if I just quickly show you around as well. You know, this is Microsoft. Today also was a profitable day. That's Google, another profitable day on Google. Meta also profitable days. Best was like yesterday, guys. Meta, we fell lower, but look at it, how well this another position came to buy here, and then we got profitable moves. So yeah, and today also a great profitable day and loving it. And this is Netflix. Netflix also net profitable. You can see the table on the left side there. And even yesterday, after we sold off, and then when the signal came, look at it, such a great move. And then even today as well, great move on Netflix as well. Again, nothing is guaranteed. There are red days as well, but we are net profitable. The data is all on the left side here. Right? If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. These are educational tools. Please use them at your own risk. I'm just providing educational opinion here. All right. Okay, and I've talked about the bot here. And I have 2 indicators and 2 bots, okay? Links are in the description below of this video if you need them. Okay, so where are we? QQQ. I talked about QQ as well, guys, right? Full on bullish still, right? Any pullback on this tomorrow, most likely is just a buy. Any pullback, if it comes under 20 hours moving average, intraday can be traded up. Structure on this, as I said, is still bullish. Even on intraday level, structure on this is bullish as long as we're above 482 and 89 cents. Yeah, take partial profits out though. Well, I have been saying that structure is still being bullish on this. We never had any break of the level to the downside. So, and you know that, right? I mean, if you have been seeing my videos, you know that. Microsoft. Microsoft, same thing. I have been saying structure on this is still bullish. Look, when you are in the direction, it's better to stay in the direction, let the pullbacks happen, and play the pullbacks back to the upside when the confirmation comes. Guys, this thing has been just going up, right? Pullbacks on this are just getting bought back up, any pullback that is coming. Microsoft is not showing any sign of downside to me right now. For tomorrow, you can watch 456 and 22 cents. It's a good level of support. And yeah, anything above this is still bullish. If we lose that, some cool off may come, but that will just be an intraday cool off, but doesn't look like that market wants to do that. Microsoft, yeah, just watch this level, 456 and 11 cents. As long as we're above it, it's still intraday also a bullish structure. And you can also follow this trend line if you like. Yeah, but just follow that level and 20 hours moving average on Microsoft. Apple, all right, Apple, let's go to the daily interval first. Structure is bullish. I have been saying the structure is bullish even through these pullbacks. I said that it's just a bullish structure. Yes, cool off may come level by level as we break, but that's it, right? Because the structure is still technically on this bullish. Pullback came, we ran up straight bullish. Any pullback, as long as Apple stays above 211 from where the price is, structure on this is still bullish. Google. Google, blue box I provided you. I said that any pullback into that blue box is fine. Structure is still bullish. Pullbacks are still getting bought back up. Structure on this is still bullish. All right. Nothing is stopping it from continue higher. Structure will only become to the downside if we lose this blue box. Take the positions in the pullback when you see at the lower time frame things like double bottom consolidations, and there was this great, and then you see a structure break back again to the upside. And with the Google, that was the thing, formed a double bottom, broke back above this level of 182, kaboom, play to the upside, right? Amazon, don't short the market, guys. Right now there's just every structure is bullish. Why would you short the market? Amazon provided you that blue box, right? We stay above it, we are bullish. Today we got a pullback there, got bought back up right into that pullback of blue box, and we are staying bullish, continuing higher. Amazon is bullish. Meta, I have been saying it's still bullish. You know, this red candle came yesterday. It's such a good buyback. I showed you my bots as well, such great positions it has been giving. Pivots are still strong, pullbacks are getting bought back up. We are still bullish. Netflix, I showed you my bot as well on this. Netflix has been bullish as well. As long as we're above that blue box, you can see pullbacks are getting bought back up. Yesterday was also a pullback, got bought back up. Today was above the level of 673 and 54 cents. We are bullish, went back up. As long as we intraday level as well, as long as we stay above 673 and 91 cents, we are still bullish. Structure, look, structure on this is only bearish from where the price is right now if we lose 663 or $664 level. Otherwise, no, this thing has a room to stay bullish. We'll see, right? But you have the levels, buy the pullbacks with the stop loss on the other side. There's no running away from the stop loss. And you have to see the price action at those lower time frames where the consolidation is forming into the pullback. And then when the one intraday level breaks to the upside, marked by my indicator. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below, and then you just play that direction. All right, guys, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.